Hi everyone, it's Phil. Today's video is going to be about an update of the Powrtouch covers that I mentioned in a previous film. Today's video is an update on the Powrtouch covers. If you remember, in a previous film I did mention that one of them was cracked. I contacted Powrtouch and they were very quick to respond. They asked me to send them a photograph of the damaged case. They had a look at that and they agreed that it wasn't something that I'd done. And because the caravan is only a few months old, they, out of goodwill, replaced the motor mover covers. So let's have a look at what we've got, because it's slightly different. Okay, as you can see, these are much darker than the originals and they seem to be made of a more robust plastic. They also come with a retaining screw. The use of the retaining screw is a new feature that, after listening to customers, Powrtouch have introduced. It's as it says, it's secure. It's a lot better than the push-on ones, which are the originals. So let's bob outside and I'll show you how they fitted. Now the only tool we're going to need is going to be a cross-headed screwdriver. Okay, as we can see, this is the old cracked one. Now to remove it, you have to pull quite stiffly on it and remove it from the casing. As you can see here, we have 3 tangs in which they fit in there, there and there. So we're going to fit the new one now, and as you can see, there is 3 studs which fit in the corresponding holes. So let's fit that now. Okay, that's fitted now. Take the self-tapping screw, fit into the centre hole there. And there we have it, completed. It seems quite a robust fit. It still gives you your plus and minus when you've got your lock on, so it's perfect. So I won't show you the other side, but I will go and repeat it on the other side now. Well, it's pretty cold out there. I'm glad it was a quick job. It's just started to rain as well, as usual. So back in we come. Now, I would like to say that the plastic covers are not covered under the warranty. I said earlier in the film, these were given to me by Powrtouch as a goodwill gesture, because mine hadn't been on the van that long, because it was a new product. So that was basically the reason why I got them for free. But you can actually purchase them from Powrtouch. They come in pairs, obviously, at the moment, and they are £40 for the pair. Now, I've no doubt at some point later on they will be changing them so you can buy just an individual if you happen to break one yourself. So, worth bearing in mind, I think they're very good. I think they're very well made. I think the plastic is good quality. I like the idea of the retention screw. It really does make it feel really secure now it's on the van. Very impressed with this product. Thank you very much for watching. I hope you like this video, and if you've got any questions, please drop them in the comments box below. Failing that, we'll see you soon for another video. But before I go, don't forget to check out some of our previous films, and if you haven't already subscribed, please subscribe, because it does help the channel. Well, thank you, and we'll see you soon. Bye bye.